telling you won't help the math.
Very good. All right, doing mathematics with a bright 5-year-old here. The problem he just gave me, you want to repeat it? The problem that you gave me was how many 3x minus 3's are contained in 3x to the third plus 6x squared minus 6x minus 3. He made this problem up all by himself, and I had to figure it out, right? And I'm about to give you a problem. So here, let me put that on film. There's the problem. There's the answer. Oh, and by the way, I put that way just to show how not to put it, actually. There's a picture of it. We're going to get a picture of it. There you go. There's a picture that I drew. And let me put it in the right spot just for fun. So there it is, written correctly. Okay, so now I'm going to give you one, Max. You ready? So there's the answer. You'll notice there's no work under there. We're not doing the work right now because he's 5, and doing all the symbols and so forth serve no purpose at this point, at this juncture. Okay, so Max, your problem. Are you ready? Wait a minute. Should I write it down or should I just tell it to you?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, you ready? 2x minus 3 is contained in 2x to the third plus 3x squared plus minus x minus 12. So 2x to the third plus 3x squared minus x minus 12.
12 to the third minus x minus 12.
Yes, and the one side is 2x minus 3, because actually that's all we're doing is we're building puzzles and seeing how it works, right? All right, we'll come back in a second. Okay, quick, tell me, what'd you say the answer was?
Okay, the answer is the whole thing is a factor.
Just a factor.
Just the one side. I get you the one that you just gave me. Tell me the other side again.
2x minus 3.
I know that. That was given. Tell me the other side.
X squared plus 3x plus 4.
Is it plus 4?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can't even trick him. All right, very good. Okay, so the whole thing, like, yeah, obviously. Okay, so the whole thing, there's the problem that we just did, that he just solved. Then now we're starting to get into negative numbers, negative factors, and it's actually the answer is isn't the answer pretty easy there, Max? Figuring out that the x squared plus 3x plus 4, isn't doing that actually pretty simple? Yeah, there you go. Of course it is. All right, you want to make a problem for me? Or shall I make another one for you? Your call. This is self-directed mathematics. The 5-year-old rules the day. He's 5 after all. You want me to make you one, or are you going to make me one?
You make me.
Okay, I'll make you one. Hold on a second. Let me build it real quick. Here's me doing the problem. There's me drawing quick sketches for him, so you can see it. Anyway, and then you're actually building these with blocks, right? Or actually with tiles over there, algebra tiles. Can you do me a quick favor and just tilt the thing down so people can see what you're doing, so they know you're not just cheating, or that somehow it's not rehearsed. There you go. So he's just building. He's got the blocks in front of him, or well, the tiles in front of him. These are the basic operations pieces, and I'm giving him the problems, and he's figuring out what to do. And then I should probably make a page about why it is he understands what to do and how it is, but you'll see that once the children work with the Mortensen materials a little bit, they get a good feeling for what has to happen and how to solve these. And it's not just, it's not magic particularly, it's just the fact that they know that if they have the minus 3 there, they're going to have 3 negative x squareds, so they're going to have to compensate for that by putting some positive x squareds in there, and so on. Anyway, let me give you a problem quickly.
X squared plus 3x plus 2x plus 3.
Okay, so x squared plus 2x plus 3. All right, fine job. So there's the problem that we did. X minus 6 is contained in x to the third, 4x squared, 9x minus 9x minus 18. there is a picture of it. Let's see, you're going to get a picture of it. There's a picture of it. And then, can you tilt yours down and show us the blocks that you did? And there's, see, the very end, that's the most important part. Not very neat, but he can count it, and that's the important part, as long as you understand what's going on there. And see, over here, we have those negative 6x squared, and then we have the negative 6x there and there, so that would be negative 12. So you know that you had to add 3x so that you could get back to negative 9, right? And then just make it 3 by 6 gives you the negative 18. Pretty simple. Like I said, and this with this child, eventually, and eventually being like a couple of more weeks, he'll be doing problems like this, mostly in his head. And maybe just doing a little bit of sketching like this to make, you know, to make it easy. Here's my sketch. Want to see my sketch? Here's my sketch. Oops. Can't hold the camera and do everything at once. Anyway. So, I think that's good. That's actually an hour right there. I think that's good, considering that he's ill and not super top of your game, but pretty good top of your game. I have to say, that's excellent work right there. You're better than a lot of the high school kids I know, and definitely a lot of even college kids. So anyway, Crewton Ramone's House of Math for more.